I had a health department inspector tell me, you just need to go spend $60,000 on a truck. So the investment wasn't much at all. I mean, at one point, I had a health department inspector tell me, you just need to go spend $60,000 on a truck. And I was very upset by that because that's ridiculous. And so, we ended up getting a great deal. And Ajit, when I called him, was zero hesitation. I called him before I finalized the deal, and I said, here's what I want to do. I found this. I know you know where their trailer is because he knows all of his customers. And he told me all about Todd, who I bought the trailer from, before I even told him about Todd. And immediately he was like, come on in, bring it up, we'll take care of you. But when we were going to buy, when I finally made the decision, this was what we were going to do.
Yeah.
A huge part of that was seeing how Ajit talked to and interacted with past members or current owners, people who had been through the class. You're not just buying the trailer, you're buying the network. Yeah.
Priceless.
And so, and the knowledge, if he doesn't know an answer, he's going to get you to someone who does. And that was a huge selling aspect.